Alarm goes off, 4:30 a.m. Another day, another chance to take to the skies. But first, coffee. Strong coffee. Gotta get those brain cells firing for a day of teaching folks how to not plummet from the sky. Shower, quick breakfast. Gotta watch the protein bars. Don't want to be that guy doing loops while fighting off low blood sugar. Check the weather. Again, wind's picking up a bit. Might be a bumpy one today. Good. Gotta learn to fly in all conditions. Out the door by 5:30, heading to the airfield. Sun's barely up, but I can smell the avgas in the air. It's gonna be a good day. First things first, pre-flight inspection. Walk around the plane like you own it, checking everything twice. Fuel, oil, control surfaces. Gotta make sure this bird is good to go before we even think about strapping ourselves in. Next up, paperwork. Flight plans, weather reports, weight and balance calculations. Gotta make sure we're legal and safe before we even think about cranking the engine. Students start showing up, bright-eyed and bushy-tailed. Some are nervous, some are excited, all are ready to learn. I give them the rundown, answer their questions, and try to calm their nerves. Flying's a blast, but it ain't for the faint of heart. Time to fly. We strap in, run through the engine start procedures, and taxi out to the runway. The first time a student feels that plane lift off the ground, the look on their face is priceless. It's like seeing the world for the first time. We work on basic maneuvers, turns, climbs, descents. I talk them through it, explaining the why behind the what. It's not just about pulling levers, it's about understanding how the plane reacts to your inputs. Landings are always the toughest part. It's a delicate dance of speed, altitude, and control inputs. I talk them down, giving them gentle corrections, trying not to let them see how much I'm sweating. There's nothing quite like the feeling of a smooth touchdown after a successful lesson. We wrap up the lesson, debrief the flight, and send the student on their way. Another successful flight in the books. Time for a late lunch, some paperwork, and maybe a quick nap before the afternoon students show up. Being a flight instructor is long hours, hard work, and a lot of responsibility, but it's also incredibly rewarding. Sharing my love of flying with others, watching them grow as pilots, knowing that I'm helping them achieve their dreams, that's what makes it all worthwhile.